Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to remove the theme from Google Chrome and return to original theme. If you want to remove the theme from Google Chrome on your devices with macOS or Windows, open a Google Chrome and go to Settings. Go to Pause. Here we can choose another theme or remove theme. For choose another theme, go to Google Web Store, go to Themes, and here you can choose another theme. For install another theme, you can tap to Theme and tap to Add to Chrome. For remove theme, go to Settings and press Reset to Default. That's all friends, thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find the answer for your questions and press subscribe button. Have a good time.